Yo, what's good today? I lost $1,000. I'm gonna go over the four trades I took. Yeah. So the first trade I took, well, first off, it's FOMC today. So usually on those days, I feel I don't do as well because I'm like waiting for that and it's other price action stuff that may affect it. So I feel it doesn't move as cleanly, but that doesn't matter now. Took this first trade, and this trade was the worst trade. This is the trade that I would not take again. This is a FOMO trade. Terrible trade. I lost like 200 here because I did have light risk. I wanted to come down to these Asia lows. I thought this was a pretty strong draw, especially after opening bullish. But that one didn't work. That was a terrible trade. But then my best trade right here on ES, we have an hour fair value gap down here that it came through and saw big rejection of, especially on ES. Then we were chopping, but NQ was being more bullish, so I was waiting. Then if you go to the 5 minute, this is just very clean. 5 minute, entered off this 5 minute closure to just below these highs right here, and it's going good, but then I get dumb after there's a 15-minute fair value gap. I scale into the position, doubling my position, going break even, pulling my break even all the way to like here, even though I already had break even here. This is a great trade, but I just need to sit on my hands pretty much. I could even move this here if I wanted to risk less, and I would only be risking like 200 at this point to make about 700 here. But that's just being dumb. And I'll put this live trade, me live managing it, at the end of this video if you want to watch that, what I was doing and what I shouldn't have done. It's pretty obvious, especially after it came up. But this trade is a good trade, just I managed it poorly. This is an A plus trade with the rest of it on me. These two trades, the first one I just got stopped out and I entered again, so this is almost like one trade just with it got stopped out too quickly. I don't hate this trade. This is also why I managed this trade differently, because I still felt we wanted to come down. Looking at this trade, I would take this trade again, so I'm not too mad about this, but we're in bearish structure. ES is also turning around. 15-minute fair value gap. We have two now 5-minute closures out of this 15-minute fair value gap with big wicks completely covering it. I enter off of this wick after this candle. The next candle shoots down all the way down to here. The next candle continues down. I'm thinking, okay, this is a great trade, and then this one is okay. This one now I'm a little bit iffy, and then this is obviously not good. In this trade, I was going to go break even right after we wick through the middle of this fair value gap. I was going to go break even once we wick through here and pulled back, but then these two did not hit the middle of this 1 minute fair value gap, so I did not go break even. So I lost another 400 here or so, and then it climbed. But looking at this, if I cut out this first trade, I'm really not that mad about it. This is a good trade, managed poorly, and these two trades are realistically, looking at this right here, is a winning trade. Well, this is a winning trade for me usually, so I'm not mad about this loss. It just wanted to go higher after it was still bullish. The only thing I'm mad about today, or really should have fixed today, is this loss and managing this. I should have just left this and let it run. After this, after it goes down into my stop loss area, into drawdown, and then continues out, that's when I should allow myself to go break even after it's been tested. But I just go break even right away, hoping it's gonna shoot, and I lose there. And then I took two losses here. I took this one, this loss off the same trade, and uh, I still, yeah, just can't take this trade and manage the position poorly. And right after this, you can see how I managed this trade. My Discord is below, but I'm still up 2K on my funded account, so only two more winning days. Peace.